Where is she? I don't know. She might not be coming. I was really looking forward to that horse riding lesson. Yeah, me too. Yeah. Is she here yet? Let's wait a while longer and maybe she'll... Hi guys! Turn up. Sorry I was late. The horses needed feeding. About time you showed up. Where have you been? Sorry. Hold up there. Let me go get them. Horsies! Where'd they go? Hello? Guys? Where are ya? Okay. I'll just give them this stuff. What the? If I can reach it. Oops. I better clear that up. Sorry. Where'd it go? The cabbage is dead. The biscuit is there. I'm just glad they didn't see that. There. Phew. I'll put the jar. Come on, close. There. Hi. Okay. Come on here, horsies. About time. We've all been waiting for you. Where have you been? I guess we're looking forward to the horse riding lesson. So we shall start as soon as Tawny comes. Come on, Tawny. Aw, they're so cute. This is Paris. Her name is Paris. She is my horse. Howdy. She's cute. Gosh, it's getting late. Maybe I'll teach you guys tomorrow. Okay? No thanks to you. Good night. Good night. Good morning, and welcome back to horse riding. Yeah, finally. I'm good to ride Paris. Each of you can get on a horse. Go on, everyone. Choose a horse, get on it. Don't have a whole day. Gonna think for a minute. Get on. Good. Okay. I know which horse I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna go on Paris. So here she is. I'm going to go in the front, of course. Then she will go like this. And we'll get on. Then one more. There. You guys can go on there. No way, I'm not riding for that. This is going to be fun. Oops. Uh-oh. My goodness, that's bad. Okay. Never mind. What's bad? Oh, I'll tell the people that are watching this video in the end. Okay, I hope you enjoyed your horse riding lesson. It's kind of late now, so we're going to go. Oh. See you later. Yeah, right. That went well. Not. Anyway, that was kind of fun, but I didn't really enjoy it. Wish we actually could have rode them properly. Me too. Well, we've had a busy day, so we better get some rest. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I'm starving. I wonder what's for lunch. What? Is that it? What kind of lunch is that? Oh, it's for you. Well, I better pack it away since I'm going out. Oh. Oops. Where'd it go? Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Bye.